Hey guys, Lolo here. Today, I'm gonna be looking at the very first version of Windows ever released and comparing it to Windows 10. The, the, the very first version of Windows that was released is Windows 1.0, and it was released on November 20th, 1985, which was a Wednesday. Windows 1.0 was released ever even before most of you watching my channel were born, including myself. Windows 1.0 was released even before myself was born. Windows 10 was released in 2015, so it's almost 4.5 years old. For just this time, this is my first time using Windows 1. So let's start up in VirtualBox. The calculator. It's a really old calculator. So let's do a math problem. Let's do 100 plus 100. And it's 200. This is my first time using Windows 1, so I'm not really good at this, but I'll get used to it. It's MS-DOS. Windows 1 is MS-DOS Executive, in case you didn't know. The calendar. It's a really old calendar. Sunday, January 26, 2020 is today's date. The clock is an analog clock. Just open Notepad and let's type in. This is me using Windows 1.0 for the first time. Lolu. Save as. Using Windows 1 for the first time. Save. Not valid file name. What? Are you kidding me? Close. Yes. Close. No. Let's open control. So now let's compare this to Windows 10. Yeah, Windows 1 was released 19 and a half years before I was born. So Windows 1 and Windows 10 are basically 29 and a half years apart. Let's compare the calculator from Windows 1 to the calculator in Windows 10. My bad, click calendar by mistake. Calculator. The calculator on Windows 1 is old, but the calculator on Windows 10 is brand spanking new. Windows 1 doesn't have start button, doesn't have a start in 1985. Arrow wasn't such a thing. Windows 1 doesn't have a start button. It doesn't have Windows Luna or Windows Arrow or Windows Standard or Windows Classic or Windows Vista and 7 Basic theme. And it doesn't have a desktop background either. So, yeah. So, Windows 1 is it it almost all Windows 1 is over 34 years old. So, yeah, Windows 10. Yeah, Windows 1 doesn't have a taskbar either. Right click doesn't do anything. There's no extra way to interact with Windows 1. Click About. Microsoft Windows MS-DOS Executive version 1.0.1, copyright 1985, Microsoft Corporation. Disk space free, 191 kilobytes. Memory free, 414 kilobytes. Okay. So, alright guys, that is my video of comparing the first version of Windows to the latest version of Windows. Guys, please stay tuned for my next video and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on all notifications. See you guys later. Bye bye.